Hi everyone. So I'm just gonna go over some of the stuff that needs to be repaired that I've been waiting for over 5 years now. This is constant here. So the people that live over us, they keep flooding their bathroom, and my landlord says that he can't do anything about it. So I basically got to live with this. All they can do is just put repairs tickets in for me. However, none of the repairs are being done. It wouldn't be that bad, but I have small children and the paint does have lead. So the test came back positive for lead on this paint in these apartments.